But
gonna pop up.
before I start this video, I just want to say I'm featuring my sister. Hi. Ew. I swear, if another one pops up, I will go.
No, just do this.
I'm honestly tired of people sharing their status just because it's embarrassing.
On my account, I don't have friends.
Well, good for you.
Just kidding.
Okay, let's get to the topic.
Dodo. You said you won't.
Let's get started with the cringy topic. Okay, so what's your opinion on Rare Week?
Since I'm not a rare trader, pretty cool, but you know, I'm a poor person on MSP, but yeah.
Your voice is really deep.
Let me get my laptop.
Your voice is really. Yes, okay.
You're not.
Kim's voice is way deeper than I expected. And no, this isn't Nathan's friend, Kim. Oh, who cares? So basically, my opinion is just, it's cool, and I'm glad that they brought Titi because I always wanted Titi. And yeah, everything is just cool about Rare Week. The rares are cool. Everything is cool. You get a lot of stuff. I just had to get a lot of star coins this morning. But yeah. So I am going to be recording another video later. It's going to be a full one with my sister.
With me again?
Yes.
You love me?
Maybe. Okay.
Really?
But I'm going to record another one later. And
No, leave the video.
I'll see you guys later.
I'm not.
What?
No.
I'm going to record another one later. Stop freaking out.
Stop. No, not another one. I'll pop up.